Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tuna sushi. First, let's prepare our sushi rice. Cook 1 cup of sushi rice, then gently fold in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt while it's still warm. This creates the perfect sticky and flavorful base for your rolls. Allow the rice to cool slightly before handling. Next, let's prepare our delicious tuna filling. Drain 1 5-ounce can of tuna very well to prevent soggy sushi. In a bowl, combine the drained tuna with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of sriracha for a little kick. You can also add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped scallions or cucumber for added texture and freshness. Mix everything until well combined. Now for the fun part, rolling your sushi. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Moisten your hands and spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Place a line of your tuna filling horizontally across the center of the rice. Gently but firmly roll the mat forward, pressing down to create a tight roll. Seal the edge with a little water. Finally, let's slice and serve your homemade tuna sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to cut the roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wiping the knife between each cut helps prevent sticking and ensures clean, beautiful slices. Arrange your sushi on a plate and serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a dab of wasabi. Enjoy your easy and delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.